Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be testing out some products by Mars Cosmetics. I recently received these products from Mars Cosmetics and I thought why not try it in front of you guys, because these products are so affordable. I thought it would be really helpful for you guys, plus it's the festive season, so it's the perfect timing. They did send me these products, but this is not a sponsored video. I'm doing this video by myself. So without any further ado, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please make sure that you guys hit that red subscribe button. Join the family for more beauty, fashion and lifestyle related videos. And now let's get right into the video. So this is the makeup look that I've created today using all of these Mars Cosmetics products. I think they have everything from primers to lipsticks. They do have a full face of makeup available on their website. I'm gonna leave a link of their website in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. But I don't have a full face of makeup from them. I just have 5 or 6 makeup products, and that's what I used to create this look today. So let's talk about those products. Let's start with the Mars BB cream. This is the Skin Perfection color correcting BB cream, and this is how it looks like. Let's first appreciate the packaging. I really love the packaging of all of these products. They're so good for the price that you're paying. So this BB cream retails for 249 rupees only, and I absolutely loved the formula. It is a very sheer BB cream. Don't expect a lot of coverage out of this product because it is a BB cream. It's not a foundation. For some reason I was expecting a little bit of coverage, but when I used it, it did not cover my dark circles and my acne mark, which is fine because it's a BB cream, and I really loved the finish that it gave. I started by dotting this all over my face, and I used a sponge on one side of my face and a brush on the other side of my face. I did not really see a difference when it comes to the finish. On both the sides it was same. It was sheer, very glowy, very healthy looking skin. So I'm in the shade tan, and I really love that they have my shade in this BB cream. Generally you will not find shades for medium to deeper skin tones in BB creams, especially even if you see Lakme, Maybelline, Pond's, they don't really have shades in their BB cream. But I'm really happy that this one had my exact shade. This matches me perfectly. They don't have a huge shade range. I think they only have 5 to 6 shades. Let's move on to powder. I used this Mars Wonder powder today, and this is how it looks like. For some reason it reminds me of the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation, not because of the packaging but because of the finish that it gave me. I've used it on my face today, and I've used it all over my face. I'm in the shade 4. I could have gone a shade lighter, but it still pretty much matches me. So firstly, this is how the compact looks like. Really good packaging. This is how it looks like from the inside. It has a really nice mirror, and underneath this there is another compact. I wasn't really expecting this, but there are 2 compacts in one, and the last compartment has a powder puff, and this is a really good powder puff, by the way. Generally with these compacts you get a really useless sort of a powder puff, which I generally throw away, but this one is actually really nice. I used it on my face today. For some reason I think these 2 are different shades. I think this one is the lighter one and this one is a darker one. I still can't tell, but you guys tell me, what do you think? Are these different shades or are these same? Coming on to the formula of this powder, I used it all over my face today, and it gave a really nice smooth finish. It has a good coverage as well. It really mattified everything. So overall I really love this powder, and also it retails only for 299 rupees, which is crazy because you're getting 2 compact powders in one. So I think it is definitely a steal. Next, for my eyes, I used this eyeshadow palette, which is again so beautiful. This one is the Mars Fantasy 15 eyeshadow palette, and this is how it looks like. It has 15 different eyeshadows. You guys will be surprised when you hear the price of this palette. This retails only for 299 rupees, and you get all of these 15 eyeshadows, which are so beautiful. I love the color scheme that is going on over here. It is so warm and so festive. You have some cranberries, you have a really nice black eyeshadows and some warm neutral shades. This is literally the only eyeshadow palette that you need in your collection, looking at the shade range. And coming on to the formula, Again, it did not disappoint me. I used mattes and shimmers both, and they performed so well. So first I used this warm brown transition color in my crease as a transition. Next I went in with this cranberry shade, and this one for some reason did not really show up on my eye that much. It is also a little less pigmented, and also it was not showing up on my skin color. Maybe if you're lighter than me, then it will show up on your skin color. Then I went in with this warm dark chocolatey brown color. I applied this on the outer corners of my eyes and blended it in the crease. And for the entire lid shade, this color was really calling out to me. This really beautiful bronzy color. It is so metallic, so good. The quality is really great. And then for my inner corner highlight, I went in with this champagne color, and again, it is so good. This eyeshadow palette really blew me away. It is so good. Definitely something you should get your hands on. I love the quality of the eyeshadows. Let me swatch a few shades for you guys. Swatching this dark brown eyeshadow. They do feel a little bit stiff when you swatch them, but on the eyes I think they are really beautiful. It has this really nice red as well. Okay, so this dark brown is really not swatching. I haven't even used it on my eyes today, so I don't know. Definitely has a few hits and a few misses, but overall I think it is genuinely worth it for the price that you're paying. Next I used their mascara. Again, the packaging is so stunning, and this mascara is actually really good. It doesn't do a good job of volumizing and separating your lashes, but it definitely does a really good job of curling your lashes. You guys can see my lashes look really curled up and very pretty. So overall I really love the mascara. Again, it retails for 199 rupees only, which is so great for the quality and for what it actually did to my lashes. It really curled up my lashes. Lastly, I tried the non-transfer butter stick by Mars, and this is how it looks like. It's their bullet lipstick, and I was honestly really excited to try this because I've heard great reviews about this lipstick, and I'm wearing the shade Office Party. This is how it looks like. It's a very thin bullet, and the packaging feels a little light and cheap if I compare it to all of the other products, but the formula of this lipstick is so good. I'm wearing the shade Office Party, and I love this brown, warm brown sort of a lipstick. It is so me. I'm in love with this entire look. Just like the name says, it is a non-transfer butter stick. It applies very smoothly and very creamy sort of a way. It's very buttery, but just give it a few seconds to dry down and it will be a proper, it will mattify, and it will definitely be like a non-transfer lipstick. You guys can see it is all matte and it doesn't even transfer. It doesn't transfer at all. It literally feels like a liquid lipstick. Definitely a huge hit from my side. I would love to try more shades from this particular range. So this is it for today's video. I genuinely really enjoyed all of these products. I wasn't expecting all of these products to work, but they actually did. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. All the product links will be in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon besides it to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.